Hi guys, here we've got iPhone, and let me show you how to scan real-life content into digital text. So all you have to do is to open Notes, let me just find them, here it is, and now tap on a new one. Here click on camera icon and select scan text. And now let me provide some digital text. You can smoothly provide your camera on the content that you would like to copy, and then tap on insert. So just like this, tap on insert, and here it is. So you've just changed it, so you've scanned this so-called real live content into digital text. You can copy it, edit it, or do whatever you want to with it. So that's it, this is how it's working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.